What sparked the unexpected strike of garment workers that led to the devastation of the garment industry in Ashulia? The answer is a complex web of events, which we'll unravel together today. In the heart of Bangladesh, Ashulia is known for its booming garment industry. However, not too long ago, this bustling hub was silenced. Almost 135 garment factories declared a temporary shutdown. The reason? An unexpected strike by garment workers. This abrupt cessation had roots in a series of events. Worker unrest had been brewing under the surface for a while, fueled by dissatisfaction with wages, working conditions, and perceived injustices. This discontent eventually boiled over, leading to widespread strikes. The strikes, however, were not peaceful protests. They escalated into destructive riots, causing significant damage to the garment factories. The extent of the destruction was such that it forced the closure of more than 100 factories. This was a heavy blow to Ashulia's garment industry, an industry that was once the lifeblood of the region. In response to the chaos, industrial police arrested 85 workers involved in the destruction. The Bangladesh Garment Manufacturers and Exporters Association, known as BGMEA, appealed to the workers to maintain industrial discipline, hoping to restore peace and stability. So, how did we get here? A combination of worker dissatisfaction, escalating protests, and destructive riots led to the temporary closure of a significant portion of Ashulia's garment factories. The aftermath saw the arrest of many workers and an appeal for industrial discipline. To summarize, the unexpected strike of garment workers and the subsequent destruction were a result of long-standing grievances. The response, both from the authorities and industry bodies, aimed at restoring order and discipline. However, the damage done to the garment industry in Ashulia was severe, highlighting the importance of addressing worker grievances in a timely and effective manner. We hope this provides a clearer picture of the sequence of events that led to the temporary shutdown of the garment industry in Ashulia. It serves as a stark reminder of the importance of maintaining a balance between worker rights and industrial growth. Because when that balance is upset, the consequences can be far-reaching and destructive.